Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are gonna be making pasta. I am so excited for this. Let's get started. So let's get started with the pot. So I'm gonna put the pot on the stove and turn the stove on. So now we can get started. So now I'm going to clean my pasta noodles. So here I have like my bowl. So what I'm gonna do is take my extruder here and put clay in it. It's like so soft. So let's take a piece because this is a lot. So now I'm gonna roll the clay and put it in. Take the extruder and put the pasta in. So I'm not gonna use this. So now we're gonna clean all this pasta. I'll be right back. And now I am back from cleaning this pasta. So now we're gonna put it in the bowl here. I'm using this pasta spoon. So let's get started. Here I have all the clean pasta, and let's put it carefully in the pot. Pasta, yum! I love pasta. Let's stir it here. So good. Now we're gonna let this cook for a few minutes. Now it's cooked, now we're gonna add pasta sauce. So let's add pasta sauce. Dun, dun. I have like a can here. Dun, 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 dun. The smell is so good, and the pasta sauce looks really good here. So now I'm gonna add lettuce. I already cut the lettuce pieces, so now I'm gonna put it in. Whoa, guys, our pasta is so colorful now. Oops, wrong spoon. Here. But I want more color in it. Let's add olives. And of olives. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, yes, this was the color I was wanting. Now my pasta looks so delicious. It looks almost ready. Now we're just going to put the lid on and wait for 5 minutes. It finally been 5 minutes. I was like so waiting for this moment. Last time in my previous video, I wanted to make pasta, but I didn't have the toys, so I finally had it. So I was so excited to make this video. So I hope you like this video like the previous one, because you guys just love that video. So I decided to make more videos with this kitchen set. So I hope you like this one as well. So yeah, let's open the lid. The smell is so good, guys. And let's turn this off. Come on, off. And look at the pasta, guys. Look, you want to eat this. So guys, I hope you like this video, guys. Please remember to subscribe and share this with your friends. Bye.